Hello, I'm Namita Verma again here with you with a new topic, new chapter, that is transportation of materials in plants and animals. Because for remain alive in our body, many processes takes place. Transportation is one of them. And what is transportation? Transportation is the method or process in which essential substances which are needed to remain alive is delivered to the cells, and the waste products which are harmful for the life are picked up from the cell and transported to the organ which excreted it. This is the transportation. And for remain alive, many substances are needed. These are, we all know, oxygen, water, food, in animals and plants, hormones, enzymes. So many things are needed for our body. So these are uh, transported through some substance, no, not substance, some tissues. Like in our body, transportation is called circulation, and we all know blood is the circulatory tissue which is a fluid, because it has to run throughout our body, and blood transports and picks, delivers and picks all the substances. So this is the transportation. In plants, it is also very important and essential process, because plants are fixed to the place. They cannot change, they cannot move to the other places to fulfill their needs. So they have also a well developed vascular system, means for transportation they have vascular system which plays important role in transportation. It has two types of vessels, xylem and phloem. So let us start with this chapter. First, I will explain about the plant transportation in plants. So we all know that plants need is very plant needs very few things. Oxygen, it takes place from air, water from soil, and can synthesize its food by itself. So it is independent. It do not depend on any other organism for its need like us. So absorption of water takes place in plants through the roots. But actually roots have root hair which plays a role in absorption, and water enters in the root and transported to leaves by xylem vessels. Roots are underground, so they absorb water and give it to the stem. Stem has the main role to conduct water to the leaves, and for this they have xylem vessels. In xylem vessel, only one way transportation takes place. Only movement of water molecules takes place upward. Second thing that needs to be transported in plants is food. We all know leaves are the food factory. So if the food is prepared in the leaves, the rest part of the plants do not get it. So the food is located means conducted to all parts, and it may take place in two ways, means upward, downwards, both. The transportation of food is called translocation. See students, it is very essential to understand that how the different substances which are needed for our body enters into the cell, because cell is very minute, and organs have also membranes around which surrounds it. So these membranes are semi-permeable. So two processes are there by which in living things substances may enter or exit into the cell or from the cell. So these are first osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules, means solvent molecules movement from higher concentration to lower concentration. हायर मतलब जहाँ ज़्यादा पानी है, पानी की मात्रा ज़्यादा है, उस को बोलेंगे कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ वाटर इज मोर। और जहाँ पानी की मात्रा कम हो, मतलब कंसंट्रेशन का मतलब यहाँ मात्रा से नहीं है, यहाँ हम बोल सकते हैं परसेंटेज ऑफ वाटर समझ लो, है ना। तो द मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम हायर कंसंट्रेशन टू lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. So all of our body processes takes place by this method only. And second one is diffusion. Diffusion is also the movement of gaseous molecules. इसमें solvent molecules means water, in this gaseous molecules from higher to lower concentration. We all know if we spray perfume here, then the whole classroom or the surrounding will get scented. By which process the molecules have passed, because these molecules travel through the air medium, means with air molecules these are transported. So this is called diffusion. For osmosis I am giving you one example. If you will put a resin in water, the resin will swell, फूल जाएगा after few hours. Why? How water enters into the resin? पानी घुसा तो फूल गया, लेकिन how, कैसे? Because resin has a covering, means wall, and this is semi-permeable because it is also a living substance. So water molecules are not present in resin. किशमिश के अंदर पानी नहीं है, अगर है भी तो बहुत हायर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ शुगर है. सो द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स मीन्स वाटर जो है वो हायर कंसंट्रेशन बाहर है तो एंटर कर गया. दूसरा एक और एग्जांपल हो सकता है, इफ वी पुट अंदर से बाहर आने का ग्रेप को, अंगूर को अगर हम शुगर सॉल्यूशन, मतलब गाढ़ा शुगर थिक सॉल्यूशन बना के उसमें हम डाल दें, व्हाट विल बी ऑब्जर्व? द ग्रेप विल स्क्वीज्ड, सिकुड़ जाएगा. Why? Because the water from the grape comes out to the solution of sugar solution. So in this way both sides, means from any side water molecules can move. So these are two processes which are very important, which play important role in living body for the transportation of substances. In next video, I will explain the transportation in plants of water and food molecule. Please students, like my video. I have seen that there are views. Some videos are seen so many times, but likes are not there. Please press like icon, लाइक को ज़रूर दबाइए ताकि हमारा वीडियो हमको लगे कि हम अच्छा बना रहे हैं।